Our industry expert, Mr. Hariharan, is with us today to explain how RBI controls inflations. Hari, over to you.
And RBI sort of sets the interest rate depending on various factors. RBI has two roles which are very important. One is to control inflation. On the other hand, it also is supposed to ensure that there is economic growth in terms of good GDP growth. So it's a balancing act. Sometimes when you try to control inflation, you also have to compromise or cut down on economic growth, and vice versa. When you want to push economic growth, you may end up actually stimulating inflation. So it's a balancing act. It's a tightrope that RBI tries to walk. And if you recollect, if I were to take you back to 2020, March is where we started COVID and the impact of COVID, and the economic activity sort of came to a standstill. The central bank of every country, every government of country did their best to ensure that somehow the economic activity starts. Because if you recollect, all of us were sitting at home. There was no manufacturing, there was no production that was happening. Nothing was working, right? An economy can't grow without activities. So to spur and give a kick to the activity, all the central banks reduce the interest rates. So the interest rate that the RBI looks at is called the policy rate, which is actually called the repo rate. Okay, I'm sure many of you track this. Repo rate in 2021 September. So they brought it back down to 4% in March 2020, so that loans become cheaper and you and I will try and do some purchase. Okay, just because the interest rates are lower. Over the last 1 year or so, you will find that all central banks across the globe have started increasing the interest rates. RBI has also done it. In fact, if you look at the rate as on 5th of July, even today we are at 6.5% repo rate. But just to give you some comparison, we have taken the rate as on 5th of July 2023. You will see that RBI has increased the repo rate by 2.5%.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.